Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to fix the button of this treadmill, and here's the actual display of this treadmill, and it looks like this. So the problem is, once we press the start button, either stop button, and any button over here, it's not working. So in these kind of setups, or in these kind of treadmill control buttons, if you remove the overlay, here we can find that here's the membrane keypad. So in these type of membrane keypads, the conductive ink is used to either make or break the connection. So once we press the button, the upper part of this print makes the contact with the lower another layer. Since we have the two layers of this card, if I can remove this, and I have removed this, and here you can see. So here the membrane keypad, and it has two layers. So the first layer is this side, and second layer is at the bottom. So once we press the button, the upper layer get in touch with second layer, and it either makes or break the circuit. So, and the problem in this particular case, the problem is it's not working, and even not a single button is working. So it's very difficult to find to contact with company and get this card, since in Pakistan there is no manufacturer, and it's very difficult to get this card. So what we do, we will make our holes over here and install the manual buttons. We will wire it, and we will draw the circuit diagram of this, and we will install the buttons over here. So let's start. Okay, so I have installed the buttons over here, and there are almost 18 buttons, and if you can see the front side of the panel, and here it looks like this. And I will paint this, and after I will place this over here, and it will look like this. So once you press this buttons, it will do this, and I will connect the wires for these circuits. I will fulfill the epoxy over here, and it will look good, and nobody can guess that what we did beneath of this membrane. So if you have a problem with your membrane keypad, you can replace your membrane keypad with these kind of buttons.